similar to what Eve experienced with the serpent.
I started teaching law at 6, and she began to say, let's follow. And she had been all these things, and it trained laws.
David thought it was God's will that they were supposed to produce a holy child.
And so he actually tells everyone that Lois is pregnant. She's going to have a baby. And her faith is going to bring forth this child. She miscarriages. And so he immediately drops her like a hot potato and says, okay, she's going to have the truck backwards. We don't need you anymore. We've got David. I came here 25
have a playground of clothing in front of the basement floor. When we first launched our TV, we saw fantastic growth. TV did a critical.
The clock is ticking.
Somebody, huh? Right, this is live, boy. It's a very ugly situation, almost a war-like zone going on there, but we're hailed with plenty of gunfire. There goes another ambulance headed for some of the wounded.
At the time, we couldn't figure out what went wrong. There was some really bad things that I saw that you could see. Gosh, it's all coming back. I'm telling you.
Show all things pertaining to God's law.
David Koresh wanted to go to Israel because it said a chariot came down and the angels in it took them up. They were so advanced. He describes these civilizations as having, and when he returned to the earth, he said then that he had a panoramic view and understanding of the entire Bible. After this encounter, something happened. It was as if he now had a divine destiny.
Speech problem, but after that, was
Basically, like, to me, like being a bum, just
Brick up front, that's in there. That's moving back. And then this is where the building was. Now they've got a new church. I'm crossing my room. This is right about where my room was. This is the first time.
I'm the boss. They call me the boss. Yeah.
I actually did not, that he taught, I refuted why, how, where, when, and he answered every single one of my questions. Yeah, I loved it. I had no choice because I love God. No one will ever forget David. Charismatic, but told the truth. After meeting David in California, I was